Why is crypto down today? October 22, 2025. Cryptocurrency. Ethereum. The 24-hour trading volume stands at $238 billion, reflecting a modest slowdown in market activity. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 29 minutes ago. The crypto market is down today, with the global cryptocurrency market capitalization falling by 1% to $3.74 trillion. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the 24-hour trading volume stands at $238 billion, reflecting a modest slowdown in market activity. TLDR. 8 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies are down. BTC minus 0.8%, $107,735. ETH minus 1.5%, $3,831. Fear and greed index dropped to 29. Fear. Bitcoin faces resistance at $110,000 to $112,800 and support around $106,600. ETH is consolidating between $3,750 to $4,250. Early Bitcoin whale Owen Gunden moved 364 BTC, $40.25 million, to Kraken. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw $477.19 million in inflows. U.S. spot Ethereum ETFs recorded $141.66 million inflows. Retail chain Beals now accepts crypto payments across 660 U.S. stores. Crypto winners and losers. At the time of writing, 8 of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap have traded lower in the past 24 hours, showing continued weakness across major assets. Bitcoin, BTC, is down 0.8%, trading at $107,735, with a market cap of $2.14 trillion. Ethereum, ETH, has dropped 1.5% over the same period to $3,831, while Binance Coin, BNB, declined 0.9% to $1,068. Among other leading coins, Solana SOL slipped 0.7% to $184.92, and XRP edged down 1.4% to $2.40. The only notable gainer among top assets is Lido-staked Ether, STETH, up 1% in the last 24 hours, trading at $3,828. Further down the list, Dogecoin, Doge, lost 1.9% to $0.1909, while Cardano ADA declined 1.5% to $0.6358. The day's trending tokens include EVAA Protocol, up 4% to $7.39, Aster, down 0.3% to $0.099, and Hyperliquid, nearly flat at $35.93. Meanwhile, Monbase Coin topped the gainers chart with a 5.6% rise, followed by EVAA Protocol, plus 4.0%, and George Plays Clash Royale, plus 40.2%, marking standout performances amid an otherwise red market. Meanwhile, early Bitcoin whale Owen Gunden has transferred 364 BTC, worth around $40.25 million, to crypto exchange Kraken today, according to on-chain data. Despite the sizable deposit, Gunden still holds an impressive 10,959 BTC, valued at approximately $1.19 billion. U.S.-India trade deal could reshape global capital flows. The United States and India are reportedly close to finalizing a landmark trade agreement that would cut tariffs on Indian exports to the U.S. from around 50% to 15%, marking a significant shift in global trade dynamics. In exchange, India would gradually curb its imports of Russian oil and open its agricultural market to more U.S. products. The deal could be announced between October 26th to 28th during the ASEAN summit, where President Trump and Prime Minister Modi are expected to meet. Analysts say the agreement could accelerate supply chain realignment across Asia positioning India as a partial replacement for China's manufacturing base. In the crypto market, Bitcoin, BTC, faces dense liquidation zones near $111,000 with support around $106,600, according to CoinGlass data. Analysts at BitUnix note that confirmation of the deal could trigger global capital repricing and temporarily dampen risk appetite in crypto. However, they add that longer-term de-dollarization trends and the rise of regional settlement systems may bolster structural demand for digital assets. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing on Wednesday, Bitcoin trades at $108,137, showing a slight intraday decline of 0.22%. The price briefly dropped to an intraday low near $107,500 after failing to hold above $109,000 earlier in the session. BTC has been moving sideways over the past few days as traders await fresh macro catalysts. If Bitcoin breaks above the $110,000 resistance, it could trigger a move toward $112,800 and possibly $115,000, where stronger selling pressure may emerge. Conversely, a drop below $107,000 could expose the $105,000 level, with a deeper correction potentially revisiting $102,000 support. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading around $3,849, down 0.64% in the last 24 hours. ETH has been consolidating within a wide range between $3,750 and $4,250 since early October, with declining volume suggesting reduced market participation. If ETH manages to break above $3,950, the next resistance sits near $4,150, followed by $4,400. However, a breakdown below $3,800 could lead to further downside toward $3,650 and $3,500. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment remains deep in the fear zone, with the crypto fear and greed index dropping to 29, signaling rising caution among traders. The index has fallen from 33 yesterday and 37 last week, marking a steady decline in investor confidence over recent days. Compared to last month's neutral reading of 47, sentiment has clearly weakened as market volatility and profit-taking dominate trading behavior. This represents one of the lowest fear levels since early 2025, reflecting investors' growing uncertainty following Bitcoin's recent pullback below $110,000. The U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs saw a strong rebound in inflows on October 21st, recording a total daily net inflow of $477.19 million, according to SoSoValue data. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, IBIT, led the inflows with $210.9 million, followed by ARK21 Shares, ARKB, with $162.85 million, and Fidelity's Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, FBTC, with $34.15 million. Other ETFs seeing positive flows include Bitwise, BITB, with $20.08 million and VanEck HODL, with $17.41 million. The U.S. spot Ethereum ETFs also saw a total daily net inflow of $141.66 million on October 21st, according to SoSoValue data. Among the 9 listed ETFs, Fidelity's FETH led the day with $59.07 million in inflows, followed by BlackRock's ETHA with $42.46 million, and Grayscale's ETHE with $13.14 million. Grayscale's ETH fund also recorded a healthy $22.58 million inflow, showing renewed investor interest after weeks of outflows. Meanwhile, a century-old U.S. retail corporation, Beals, is starting to accept crypto payments through a partnership with Flexa across its 660 stores in 22 states. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Cardano, Pepe by the end of 2025. Live major online platforms face outages amid AWS disruption. Coinbase among those affected. Ripple's $1 billion XRP treasury sends social metrics soaring. according to Lunar Crush Metrics XRP price prediction. Bullish options spike signals massive altcoin rotation from BTC/ETH to XRP and SOL. Price analysis. Ethereum price prediction. Examining on-chain metrics after ETH posts solid 24H and 7D gains. For days ago, by Arslan Butt. Bitcoin news. Trump insider whale who scored $160 million in BTC route opens $76 million Bitcoin short at 10x leverage. 2 days ago, by Shalini Nagarajan. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple by the end of 2025. 16 hours ago, by Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. October 1, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. For days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 15 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 25 minutes ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025, by Ben Beto.